Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy. This is a 15-year update on a guy that we did back when we were really first starting getting going in hair. And he came in looking like this. You'll notice the photography is different 15 years ago than it is now. But he's got really the whole top of his head. And we did a big case on him. And then I think sometime about 8 or 10 years ago we did a little tweak of his hairline or something. And then he just popped by before Christmas and to say hi. And he's now at almost 15 years.
Yeah, it was. It's nice to see him.
Yeah.
He stopped by and said hi.
And he looks unremarkable.
He looks really good. Yeah.
You know, he used to be my age.
I know, he likes
big
to show his
muscly guy,
muscles.
and now he's 15 years old. Now he's 72 or 73.
He still looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was showing me his abdomen.
But I think the difference that you see with his hair, he's a black guy with curly hair, but no matter how good your hair is when you're 58, when you're 73, things are thinner. It still looks good, but your hair gets thinner, your skin gets thinner, and so I think the good thing for him is that he doesn't look like a dude that had a hair transplant.
No, he doesn't.
Yeah.
He definitely doesn't.
Yeah. If we can help you, please give us a call. Thanks.